Do you want to learn the skill of glass painting in the comfort of your own home? Would you like to be guided gently and slowly throughout the whole process, step by step? And would you like to create a beautiful sun catcher that you can display in your house with pride? If yes, then I have designed this course especially for you. I will help you create the best results possible with zero experience required. I'd like to invite you to take part in this course, How to Create a Glass Painted Sun Catcher. This course is divided into 4 lessons: design, glass painting, outliner, and hanging. In this course, you'll create an amazing 3-piece sun catcher, which you can hang over any window in your home and gaze in amazement when the sunlight shines through it. You'll learn many techniques, including how to create beautiful flower designs inspired by historic stained glass windows, the best brushstroke techniques for glass painting, and the easiest outliner technique that will help you to master it immediately. I will give you all my knowledge and skill from over 10 years experience of teaching adults and children glass painting. And I'll assist you in creating a beautiful sun catcher that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and I'll see you there.